Do it.
I don't want to die! Please, God! No! Please! No!
Aber müssen wir ja nicht.
I knew you were fucking useless.
Yo! Also, aber ein Trophy gegeben. Ah, es hat ein Trophy gegeben, Mann. Shit, dude.
Yo, 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 yo. Aha, aha.
Ja, müssen wir halt nochmal. Ja, dann wissen wir jetzt, was wir zu tun haben, oder? Ich meine, es gibt keinen Weg dran vorbei. Nachher killt er uns einfach, nur weil wir ihn nicht umbringen.
Shut your mouth.
No! Don't do this!
Do it.
I don't want...
Schmerzlos. Kurzer Prozess. Was ist das für halbbullige? Oh. Oh. Da ordentlich Schmonni in der Fresse. Hätten die Kohle mitgenommen? Oder nicht? Villa Torrisi. Eine Woche später.
Caro Enzo,
Hm.
I've thought about what you said, and my heart wants that too. But my head tells me you put too much faith in my father. But still, I dream of ways things could be different, closer between us. Tell me, what do you dream about?
Come out here, will you? You're needed.
You're needed. So. Die machen wir noch fertig. Können wir uns eigentlich noch umziehen? Oh. Oh. Okay. Okay. Das ist lässig. Meeresbrise, Nadelstreifen. Die habe ich mal vorher gehabt. Das ist jetzt Partner. Jetzt sehe ich eben, das ist vorher gewesen. Aber ist okay. So.
What's
Mal
this
schauen, wie lange
about?
das Kapitel
Come on,
noch geht, aber
let's
wie
go.
gesagt, das
Where?
spielen wir noch schnell fertig.
Doesn't matter. Let's go. You're pulling me out of bed. You can tell me what's going on.
Just stop talking and listen. Alright?
Das ist einfach, da bist du nie safe, oder? Das ist so Mafia-Shit.
Luca,
Da hast immer irgendwie Angst um dein
what is
Leben.
this?
Kleinste Fehler oder irgendwie.
We're all friends here. You walk through this door, then you listen and answer honestly.
Answer what?
You want to be part of this, yes? Of what we are?
Yes.
Then go inside.
Oh, ich glaube, ich werde befördert. Oder ist es nichts Gutes? Ich glaube, es ist
Stop
gut.
hesitating. Go on in.
Ich gehe ja. Jetzt ist willkommen in der Familie, oder?
Come forward.
Aber mir hat immer so ein bisschen Schiss, ob man jetzt nicht irgendwie Finger abgeschnitten bekommt oder Betonfüße oder etwas. Oh, jetzt Blut.
All of the men in this room are bound by blood.
Blood in, blood out. Man.
This is a family. And in this family, we follow a code of honor. It's a way of life. A brotherhood.
You're here because of your deeds and the assertions of those who stand at your side. This life is one of secrecy. If you make a friend, meet a woman, they must not know about our thing.
It is binding. It is not forgiving. To betray one,
Aber wirklich Nein sagen kannst du ja dann auch nicht, oder?
do you wish to commit yourself, your life, to this family?
Yes. I do.
Then, before the eyes of all here present, join.
Okay. Küssi. Oh, okay.
To become a man of honor, repeat these words. I swear my loyalty to this family.
I swear my loyalty to this family.
My flesh must burn like this saint if I do not keep my oath.
My flesh has to burn like this saint if I do not keep my oath.
Ich bin mir fasziniert, wie viel die dann so auswendig könnten nachsagen.
Welcome, Enzo.
Benvenuto, Enzo.
Benvenuto, Enzo.
Benvenuto.
Salute.
Salute.
Salute!
Used to breathe from ear to ear like some imbecile. Well, he wasn't smiling when Tino pulled the Lupara. It was like he saw the devil himself.
Part of the family now, eh? You know, when we found you in that bar, you were skin and bones. Even then, I saw a fire in you. From now on, you've got to be even smarter. Our thing is your life now. Done well, Enzo. I'm proud of you.
Grazie, Luca.
Could be a long night. When they did this for me, we went through 3 crates.
Der aus wie so morgen früh irgendwie, oder nicht? Problemo. Ja, das wird halt dort immer schwieriger. He? 4 Kisten später. Okay.
That is enough for me.
Come on, old man. We'll head into town.
Schau, Missionsziel feiern.
You will understand.
You think any woman would have him?
If he's lucky, he'll meet a girl who is deaf, dumb, and blind.
Ah, forget about him. I think Valentina keeps his balls in a little bag by the bed. You going to drink that? What? Oh, no. Go ahead.
Schon in sich damit auch so, wenn voll sind.
So lose the face, will you? It's a celebration. Let's get some more drinks. We should take the music with us. If it drowns you out, sure. Stronzo, you fetch that for me, Leone.
You have a place in mind?
Oh, I
Komm,
think-
Cesare.
Just wait and see. He knows what I'm talking about.
Oh, I know. You know I know.
Ha! You're a hound, Leone. A fucking hound.
So,
So geil,
I
Mann.
will take a car.
you're in no state to drive.
Jetzt passiert noch irgendein Scheiß, oder? Ich hab gedacht, das ist jetzt fertig. Wie lange geht das so ein Kapitel? Und ich soll jetzt fahren, ja genau. Muss natürlich zuerst noch ankurbeln. Beste Idee, Chat.
Come on, let's get going. I need another drink. I need a woman.
Alright, alright.
Okay, wir brauchen leichte Mädchen jetzt, Chat.
You forgot already? Celeste!
Ach shit, jetzt gehen wir noch in die Stadt, weißt
So,
du? Jo,
you're in, mine boy.
mein
How does
Boy.
it feel?
Good. Really good.
Damn right it's good. Now, you can
Ja,
do
und haben
whatever
die
the fuck you want.
alle
Sit down, idiota.
Halsprobleme.
Hey,
Der
keep
Don
those
redet
dainty
trotzdem.
herbs to yourself.
Aber die haben alle halt bis am
Show some
Hals. Ja.
respect. I'll be
Muss ich
boss
dem
of
nachfahren,
this
oder? Nicht, oder?
one day.
If things ever get that bad,
Sorry,
I'm moving to
bin betrunken.
Palermo.
So mit der Musik so hinten drin. Nein, das will nicht springen. Nein, nein. Das will schon laufen. So geil, Mann. Fühl ich.
Stop the car!
What? What's the problem?
I need to piss.
Jetzt geht er durch.
Jesutsu! Didn't your uncle tell you to go before you left the house?
Ah, fuck you and wait.
What are you doing?
Oh oh.
What?
Beste Idee, oder?
Can't you just go behind the bush like everyone else?
I'm not everyone else. And neither are you. So don't act like them. Ah, this is ours, boys. The whole valley. All you can
The whole
see.
valley.
All I see is an idiot pissing in the wind. Come on, get in the car.
Ah, you
Okay, jetzt auch nicht alle, Mann.
fuck
Komm
them.
da runter.
Our thing is our thing. Yeah, you know what I mean?
Whatever you say, Don Cesare. Let's go. You sound like you need another drink. Get in before he decides to drive.
Gut. Ich habe schon ein bisschen Angst gehabt, ehrlich gesagt. Ja, schade gewesen, oder? Andiamo!
So, the time will come when it'll be just me and you. Good friend. Loyal. A man of honor. My right hand.
Hey, what about me?
In San Celeste.
You can be my butler.
Hey, what? Wine! Give me wine! Give me wine!
Gib mir Wein!
The beauties.
Und einen Schwung Mädels.
Wine! Give me Andiamo! For vino and all the lovely boobies!
I like boobies,
I like boobies.
My fucking ears!
Same, Bruder, same.
Give me wine and a lovely principessa!
Principessa! Das wäre wahrscheinlich lustiger, wenn alles Italienisch wäre. Ich bin leicht betrunken, ja.
coglione! Stop it! Celeste, San Celeste, San Celeste, San Celeste! Put your foot on it, Enzo!
Fahre in den Bordellhof ein, Chat. Wir kommen!
On the left, pull in. We don't need the music no more.
Oh, da bin ich aber eingefahren, als wäre ich schon da gewesen.
Ah, we're here!
Hey, hey, quiet.
Dad, you're going to love it!
Aber wie sie sich freuen.
Rosaria, principessa! Business. A man like me has responsibilities.
I could do with some air.
Plenty of air inside. You know what to do, right?
It's not that.
Ist verliebt, der kann nicht.
There's a
Weren't you listening back there? Code of silence.
Den sehen wir aber echt enttäuscht, die Weiber.
What the fuck is this? Where were you? Peeping through the window like some Gardone. You don't live in a hole anymore, Enzo. You're part of the Torrisi family now. Act like it. Now, move over. Got something to show you.
You sure you can drive?
I drive better than you blindfolded. Besides, a good woman sobers a man up.
You were drinking like a fish in there.
Enough. Come on. I have another surprise.
Ja. Sound kackt ein bisschen um jetzt im Moment.
Eyes on the road.
Stört mich nicht.
We're fine.
Vor allem wenn es schnurrt.
Minchia, not down here.
You know where you're going?
I'm driving, not you. Turn it around here.
I
Hey
don't want to
Bruder,
die today, Cesare.
ich fahre übrigens nicht. Ja.
Here we are.
Yeah, finally.
Come on. They meet us here with the keys.
You boys look like you had a big night.
Eh, you could say that.
I appreciate the invite.
You know how it is. Family only.
Sure. Not like I don't do enough for you all. Well, I left the keys inside. On the table.
Should be grateful we do business with him at all.
Was passiert da?
A man of honor can still be sleeping in a can he?
Muss er sich so vordrängeln da?
You fixed this for me?
Hey, don't thank me yet. Let me show you inside. Not bad, eh? And the whorehouse, so close.
You couldn't have tidied up first?
So, he needs a clean. So what? Go ahead, Enzo. Take a
Oh,
look
ist das
around.
unsere Bude jetzt? Schau dich in deiner Wohnung um. Let's go.
There's someone's clothes in here.
For you, if they fit. If not, throw them out.
Geilo. Drohbrief. Carmelo, deine Mutter Evelina, tschüss. Mit ihrer schlechten... Ein Sohn sollte in ihrer Nähe sein. Es wäre nicht gut, wenn sie noch einmal stürzt, besonders da du so weit entfernt lebst. Geh nach Hause nach Neapel, zu deiner Mutter, solange du noch die Gelegenheit dazu hast. Mach dir keine Sorgen um die Wohnung, wir kümmern uns darum. Ein besorgter Freund.
Huh.
I see.
There's a letter here. Addressed to Carmelo.
I'll see that he gets it.
That could be tricky.
There's still food out here.
These people left. In the
Arschbrot.
middle of breakfast.
They had to leave in a hurry.
Ja, die haben schnell müssen gehen. Da liegt noch etwas am Boden, wo nicht mir gehört.
What happened here? Is this a blood?
Probably ragu. It's nothing.
You haven't seen everything yet. Let me show you the bedroom. Look, a proper bed. And now you won't have to sleep with the fucking pigs anymore.
No, you can leave that to Cesare. Right. We did the tour, Enzo. I'm heading back. Get some rest.
So, what do you think?
Geil, Mann. Jetzt haben wir unsere eigene Bude.
Don't know what to say. It's great.
Well, you're welcome. When I met you, I thought shoveling shit was all you'd amount to.
Right.
No, I mean, you've done good. My uncle, me, we're lucky to have you around. And when it's my time, I won't forget that. It's going to be just you and me one day, like I said. Remember?
You should go take a bath or something.
Drones. I'll let you sleep. See you later.
Strunzu. So. Entschuldigung. Leb dich ein, ja. Jetzt kann gerade mal die Isabella vorbeikommen. Das wird wahrscheinlich einmal noch passieren und dann wird es ganz eng und dann fliegen wir auf und dann gibt es Trouble. Empire Bay. So geil. Willkommen zur Familie. Zur Familie. Ja, jetzt gibt es noch einen Teaser. Schon wieder ein Jahr rum. Gibt es noch einen Teaser für nächstes Mal. La Difesa Siciliana.
Look at this place. The backwater of a fucking backwater. You sure this is it?
I'm sure. I followed the river all the way down. Just like they said.
Bro.
I can smell it already. Hey Enzo, let's turn around, huh? I'm gonna be sick if I go down there.
Not a chance. I told you to take it easy last night, huh? And I'm not getting on your uncle's bad
Funny.
side with the mood he's in lately.
Der fährt.
He's been like that since Spadaro bought Ludovici's share of the mine.
What does he care about that?
Spadaro gaining power and money
Funny.
upsets the balance.
Aber ich hocke doch am Steuer,
Makes
oder?
it harder to keep them in check. And my uncle never saw it coming.
Triff Leo bei der Gerberei. Schroff, easy. Das sind wir ein Dino-Gerber.
Hey, that's Don Galante's car. Why is he risking his Venetian loafers way out here?
Gentlemen,
Oh, schau jetzt Anzug, Chat. Nächstes Mal muss ich im Anzug streamen.
guessing
Fuck.
that's not your doing, Enzo.
Hä? Nächstes Mal Anzug und Krawatte.
You're right. I'll leave that to your uncle. You're the last ones here.
You
Gut.
know what's going on, Leo?
I have some idea.
And
Just wait.
Ja, aber das war's für heute. Warte mal. Jetzt haben wir da eine Bude, Mann. Hä? Enzos Wohnung. Geil, hey.